Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about outdoor garden decor ideas specially designed for your plant containers. It's a fun and simple way to make your garden look amazing. Whether you have a big yard or a tiny balcony, let's dive in. Before we jump into the ideas, let's talk about why decorating your plants containers is so great. It's add a touch of beauty to your outdoor space even if you don't have a big garden. First thing, pick the right containers. These can be pots, planters, or even things like old buckets or wooden crates. Choose what you like and what fits your space. Let's talk about the plants. The cool things about decorating containers is that you can mix different plants, try flowers, herbs, or even green leaves to make a colorful mix. To make your containers looks extra special, use decorative planters. These are pots that comes in all sorts or shapes and colors. They can give your garden a stylish touch. If you don't have lot of space, think about going up vertical gardens or like gardens on the wall. You can use wall mounted planters or hanging containers to make a garden that goes up. Get creative with themes for your containers garden. Maybe you want an herbs garden, a home for butterflies, or a collection of success plants. Themes add a special touch to your garden. Make your container garden pop with some extras. Try garden stacks, colorful stones, or small decoration. These little things can make your garden more interesting. Crafty people thinks one for you. You can make your own garden decor, paints your containers, create garden makers, or even build tiny firehouses to put in your garden. Keep things fresh by changing your garden decor with the seasons. Use different plants, add flowers that match the time of years, and change the decoration to fit the season. Don't forget to look after your containers garden, water your plants, give them food, and trim them to keep them healthy and looking good. There you have it, easy outdoor garden door ideas for your plant containers. You can make your outdoor space look beautiful and stylish with these simple ideas. If you enjoy these ideas, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more grading and decorative tips.